15-16 जेन्ना हांव मेयर आशिल्लो तेन्ना जेन्ना हांव प्रपोजल हाडलेलो तो एक्सेप्ट केल्लो तर न्हू आयज आमचो गार्बेजाक कोणाक रडपाय पडपा नासले आयज गार्बेज सगळो ट्रीट जाल्लो आसता हो तेन्ना करूंक ना सेम मिस्टेक आयज परते करपाक सोदता सामको सिरियस इश्यू आहा आनी LIC कडेन मुद्दाम तुमी वचून विजीट करा ज्या प्रमाणे कचऱ्याचे ढिगारे पडल्या थंयसर पयल्यार साफ दिसता की मेयराक जावं हांकां कोणाकूच ताज्या बद्दल पडलेलें ना.
That time सगळे इस्कॉलान एकठांय जावन हिंगासर इवन मेयराचे हितून मेयराचे कॅबिन ढटी करून गार्बेज उडोवन गेल्ले इस्कॉलाचे भुरगे फ्रॉम गोंयांतले. आय होप दॅट हिस्ट्री शूड नॉट रिपीट सच.
करेक्ट.
आनी वी कॅन डू दॅट.
टायम फ्रेम कितें घालता?
टायम फ्रेम न्हू आतां फाल्यां तेडे पयलीं इन्स्पेक्शन करता म्हटलं आय एम व्हेरी पॉझिटीव तो करतलो अशें म्हाका दिसता. करिना धर न्ही जाल्यार आमकां तो फोर्स करता की तेज्या अगेन्स्ट कितें तरी एक्शन घे आनी घेतले घेवचेच पडटली कारण लोकांच्या आरोग्या कडेन आमी खेळपाक शकना.
महापौर सुरेंद्र फुताट म्हणटा एकदा सरकाराक जागो दिलो म्हणजे जागो गेलो महापालिकेचो ताजेर कांयच हक्क उरपाचो ना.
Just because we delayed by 4 days, they're saying like this. What is the hurry? We said wait for 4 days. I'm coming back to you on Wednesday. We are going to take a legal. See, it is 1,71,000 square meters land. Our land. It goes. Nothing else we can do.
I'm not asking about that.
No. I just want to tell you is that we'll try to find out avenues. Whether we can, if we give on lease to them, whether we can get some rent. What is there to try? Because once you give, then you can't try. So what is there to wait till Wednesday?
Ultimately, it's been acquired by the government only.
So?
It's in your possession, so transferring it.
What is the meaning of government?
Government is government.
Government is government. They give funds to the municipalities, to corporation, they give to panchayats.
Correct.
So once it is government gives the money to that, for that land, for that panchayat, that property belongs to the panchayat. Government doesn't this thing. Otherwise the government done.
2019 आणि 2022 खंय तो पणजे इलेक्शनाक रावतलो.
सध्या बुधवारा डिसिजन घेतले म्हणून अशें ठरलेलें. बुधवारा परत मिटींग घेवपाची.
Coming Wednesday.
या
लीगल ओपिनियन कितें आसा
दॅट यू आस्क हिम देम.
And what about pay parking?
Pay marking, they said somebody said that we don't want pay parking and all this. It is stopped now.
मेयरान मात सुद्दां सपोर्ट करूंक ना लँड ट्रान्सफर करपाक. लँड परचेज केला गव्हर्मेंटान पयशे फारीक केला गव्हर्मेंटान सगळे गव्हर्मेंटान केला फक्त ते आमच्या पोजिशनान आमकां बांदपाक दितले. वी आर नॉट इन अ पोजिशन CCP इज नॉट इन अ पोजिशन वीच ही ऑल्सो एग्रीज गव्हर्मेंट वॉन्ट्स दॅट लँड टू बी ट्रान्सफर इन दॅट नेम जाल्यार आमकां बेगीन बांयगिणी प्रोजेक्ट मेळटलो. माय ओनली कन्सर्न इज गव्हर्मेंट वॉन्ट्स टू कंस्ट्रक्ट solid waste management treatment plant at 4 places. Everybody wants that. आमचो सर आता समज आमचो टाइम चुकलो न्हू वी डोंट नो when we will get that time, whether we will get that time.
I have to make it open. Surendra Fudad has tried to many politicians, but until God gives me the strength, I don't care for all these threats. If I have to become the chief minister of Goa, if God wants me, I will become. Enough. What has happened? I will contest in Bainguinnim 2019, even in 2022. Yes. What is the big problem? I can't be like a lame duck all the time.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.